need to know that $275 is not good enough. As bad as $599, I must admit, but it's not good enough. $275 for a sitting MP who's the vice chair of CCC is not right. So that is what today was about. Now, I've organised a change or petition that really needs numbers, okay? At the moment it's heading towards 600 people since Monday. But we need thousands on that because that petition should be
Right, Free Swaziland movement, yeah, that's number 10 right there. There's police everywhere, there's people there. It's a very, very secure place. The petition's been delivered for by the Zimbabwean people who live in the United Kingdom. And we've got our Swazi MP, Member of Parliament, Duduzi Simelane, who's with some members of the CCC in Zimbabwe. This is live. You're speaking to Free Swaziland movement team. And the like I said, that is number 10. It's secured, right? It's a very secure place. So this is it, Maswati. We have to continue spreading the word. We've delivered the petition, and we as Swazis in the UK and in European countries and USA will deliver a petition in the same place, and it will be considered. So we have to continue fighting. King Mswati has to be removed from power, and we have to do that. No one else will do it. It will be done if we get help, but then we need to work harder.